Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Delivering the Goods. First 14 to 17 questions are to find out the paragraphs from which the given statements have been taken. First is, a suggestion for improving trade in the future. फ्यूचर में ट्रेड को इम्प्रूव करने का सुझाव. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको पैराग्राफ I में मिलेगी. State ownership of railways and airlines, regulation of freight rates and tolerance of anti-competitive practices, such as cargo handling monopolies, all keep the cost of shipping unnecessarily high and deter international trade. Shipping cost बहुत ज़्यादा है जिस वजह से international trade, deter मतलब control कर देता है. Bringing these barriers down would help the world's economies grow even closer. तो इन barriers को ख़त्म करके world economy को grow किया जा सकता है. Next question is, the effects of the introduction of electronic delivery. Electronic delivery के आने से क्या affect हुआ? ये आपको F paragraph में मिलेगा. This is even more true of the fast-growing information industries. Films and compact discs cost little to transport, even by airplane. Computer software can be exported without even loading it onto ship, simply by transmitting it over telephone lines from one country to another. तो इसका इतना फायदा हुआ है. Next question is, the similar cost involved in transporting a product from abroad or from local supplier. किसी प्रोडक्ट को लोकल मार्केट से या अब्रॉड से ट्रांसपोर्ट करने में सेम कॉस्ट आती है. ये स्टेटमेंट आपको A पैराग्राफ में मिलेगी. Computer manufacturers in Japan or Texas will not face hugely bigger freight bills if they import drives from Singapore rather than purchasing them on the domestic market. Next statement is, the weakening relationship between the value of goods and the cost of their delivery. Goods की value और उसकी delivery cost में relationship कमजोर है. ये statement आपको paragraph D में मिलेगी. Over time, however, world output has shifted into goods whose worth is unrelated to their size and weight. Size और weight उसकी value से match नहीं करता. आगे देखिए. Thanks to technological advances such as lightweight components, manufactured goods themselves have tended to become lighter and less bulky. As a result, less transportation is required for every dollar's worth of import and export. Next 18 to 22 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, international trade is increasing at a greater rate than the world economy. World economy के मुकाबले international trade ज़्यादा तेजी से बढ़ रहा है. International trade is growing at a startling pace, मतलब तेज गति से, while the global economy has been expanding at a bit over 3% a year. तो same statement की वजह से इसका आंसर true होगा. Cheap labor guarantees effective trade conditions. Cheap labor की वजह से trade conditions guaranteed effective होगी. Cheap labor may make Chinese clothing competitive in America, but if delays in shipment tie up working capital and cause winter coats to arrive in spring, trade may lose its advantage. Cheap labor की वजह से अमेरिका में Chinese clothing को वैल्यू मिल सकती है, पर अगर शिपमेंट टाइम पर नहीं पहुंची तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next is not given. Next to that is, most countries continue to prefer to trade with nearby nations. ज़्यादातर कंट्रीज अपने पड़ोसी देशों के साथ ट्रेड प्रेफर करती है. Countries still trade disproportionately with their geographic neighbors. तो इसका आंसर true होगा. Next is not given. Next 23 to 26 questions are to complete the summary. First, modern cargo handling methods have had a significant effect on dash. Modern cargo handling का significant effect किस पे पड़ा? So freight rates and cargo handling schedules becomes insignificant factors in deciding where to make the product. तो यहाँ हमें इसका synonym चाहिए, तो इसका आंसर होगा trade. Next, as the business of moving freight around the world becomes increasingly streamlined, manufacturers of computers, for instance, are able to import dash from overseas. Computer manufacturers दूसरी countries से ये चीज़ मंगवा सकते हैं. Computer manufacturers in Japan or Texas will not face hugely bigger freight bills if they import drives. तो drives का synonym होगा components. Next, the introduction of dash has meant the bulk cargo can be safely and efficiently moved over long distances. किसकी आने की वजह से हम ज़्यादा सामान आसानी से दूरी पर भेज सकते हैं. The invention of the container crane made it possible to load and unload containers without capsizing the ship, and the adoption of standard container sizes allowed almost any box to be transported. तो कंटेनर क्रेन की वजह से ऐसा हुआ, तो इसका आंसर होगा कंटेनर शिप. Next question is, there is still a need for government to reduce dash in order to free up the domestic cargo sector. Domestic cargo sector को free up करने के लिए government को कुछ reduce करना चाहिए. National government, by and large, kept a much firmer hand on truck and railroad tariffs. तो tariff इसका आंसर होगा. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.